About Canaan, it was last year from a friend. He told us, can go visit Canaan. It's worth visit. So we visited now and here. It was about a year ago. Okay, Canaan, which actually, the truth, we chose it because we found that there is a special technology inside the machines. They change a little bit for the better in some machines, and so we decided this is our what we need. This is our machine. The advantage, I think it's the operation. The operation of the machine is very good. It's smooth. The finishing is good. The technology inside, like for example, our what we bought, it's FPD and some high mixer. The technique inside is different than other companies. It's different to the better. Technology is better. Yes, perfectly. Very good. Service from the beginning, entering the factory until the sales to the production. Service is perfect. Very good. Definitely, we'll come back. We'll buy from Canon. All our machines, if they have it, we buy it from Canon. Canon, technology is good, everything is good, service is good, manager is good. We'll take everything definitely. All our machines will be from Canon.